Inside. 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 Sabi ng linesman sa kabila, inside. Lahat nagulat. Lahat ng 12 player.
Oo.
Well, tapos na yun.
And the call stays.
Tapos na yun.
Also, Sultones played better.
Yes, indeed.
For the squad.
Soriano. Gohing. Si Gohing pati ulo eh.
Oh, wow, good block.
Hindi, nagawa ng paraan. Hello! Well done! What a fake on the set! Tatawid na lang veterana. Nakaisa tayo. Shakey's for one family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Hindi nila alam yun.
Hindi rin natin alam. Nag-adlib lang.
Paano nga? Ulitin natin. Anyway, it's 2-1.
Anyway, back to the game.
Magagawa pa natin. Tapos na yun. Hindi naman mababago yan. Huli. Sultones ata yun.
Oo. Si Baby.
Okay ba mga ate?
Approve ba?
Pwede na ako sumama sa inyo?
Hindi pa rin.
Hindi pa rin. Ang lakabuhay mo. Tabla tayo 2-all.
So leading scorers for Smart Manila, that's Valdez with 13, Quisini with 6. For Cagayan, Tipachot with 9, Tabaquero with 6.
Quisini was punctured there.
Punctured is the word.
Tipachot just slammed it against her and boy, that's strong. 3-2, lamang po ang Cagayan. First set, nagpunta sa Cagayan. Kabilang set, yung second, napunta sa Smart Maynilad. Tabla-tabla.
We said it, no? Long day tayo, long day.
And Valdez found that line. This is another girl who's proud of her work. Ganito, leader ito.
Oo, Janela.
Pero gusto ko yung kay Gohing ganun. Bayaan niyo yung likod sa akin. Off the head of De Leon.
Buti yung hairdo niya hindi nagugulo. I hate that eh, pag tumatama. Oh, crawling again. We are crawling.
This afternoon, this is a long day. Average of 30 minutes in the first game in the number of sets. And in each set, Cassini got the target.
That's a running attack for Pinook.
I am going to eat Thai food after this. I don't know why.
I love Thai food.
Yes. Nakakatawa sa Thailand na you want not so spicy? Pero spicy pa rin.
Oh.
Tabaquero.
Wow, good block.
Tipachot in the right place. Tabaquero. Hulog.
And on si Roses.
Wow, this is like a boxing match. Valdez. Tipachot.
Good rally we're having.
Tabaquero. Ang kumurat talo.
Valdez! And the balloons, the silver Mylar balloons are wiggling again.
From one warrior to another. 5-4. Sona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Tabaquero's version.
Wow.
Soriano keeps it alive. Soriano, yes. Dalawa nang hit pala Soriano, no? Silent fly, why not? Huli si Ruby De Leon.
Basang-basa ni Tabaquero.
I know you. Valdez. Sige, magkagulo kayo. Tabaquero.
That did not clear.
4 touches. Si Angge, babasahin niya. Babasahin niya.
Of course, we know why people are screaming Valdez serving.
Tipachot. Inside.
Simple, no? Si Tipachot, simple lang. Sige, I'll go up to spike it.
Both sides have back row attackers, huh? Interesting. 6-6. Sets are tied, 1 apiece. Tabaquero not making any complicated moves off the serve. Here's Valdez.
Wow.
Tabaquero got to it this time. Tipachot on the combination. It is alive. Valdez gets to it. Gohing.
Free ball. Oh boy, that's really hard to stop. The angle of yung palo na yon, ang hirap kunin.
Lampas na sa blocker, iniwas talaga eh. Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Wow. The going was there, but she couldn't even get anywhere near.
Hirap tong game na to. Ang daming titingnan sa kabila, ano? Soriano! Charo! Nasa harap na niya eh. Iniwas niya. Ba't may slam doon sa block? Nicely done.
Oh, good dig.
Yep, good dig. Alanganin! Alanganin! But, well, Eliza said, I tried, but, well, 8-7, Cagayan first at the technical timeout mark.